There was once a beautiful flying unicorn who liked all that was pretty. One night she wandered into a cave and found the prettiest flowers she had ever seen and could not resist the temptation to eat them. Soon after that, she became one with the forest. Hi there, I'm glad to see you here. I hope you enjoyed watching my intro. I've done this theme thinking of Nyx Faceaw Awards, and although I'm not in this year, I still love the theme and I thought that I will do something on this theme as well. I already covered my eyebrows with wax and I'm starting shadowing my eyes with NYX eye palette, which is Brights, for the area around the eyes, and then the top lid I would put the lightest shade of Smoky and Highlights palette from NYX. I left a little bit of space under my lower lid, so I will have a pupil below. Now I'm starting to outline my eyes and I'm also going around my lower lid. I'm also painting in a black pupil, the same color as my lenses and the same width as my lenses. If you've seen my videos before, you would notice that these lenses I wear quite a lot. I got them from Pastel Dreams UK. These ones actually are one of my favorite ones because I've got blue eyes and it changes my face for me so much. So yes, I just love using them. After shadowing around the lines that I just painted, I'm going around my face and contouring it with the same colors. I will have a mask on, but still I would like to cover my face, so I want me to come closer to the mask and when I'm finished and if something is not covered. With the mask, generally I'm going around my eyes and I'm trying to connect lines like black to black and white to white. Unfortunately, I haven't recorded the lower part because I cannot see very well without glasses and I need to bend down to the mirror, so it was a bit too low to make it visible for the camera. But the general rule is that I kept everything symmetrical as much as I could, and now I'm outlining the lightest part with white and adding a little bit of highlights, and also to the dark I'm adding more black. Now I'm adding a bit more shadow and I'm using the same colors as I used for my eyeshadows. My top lid will go black, and in darker areas I'm going to add lots of black dots. For unicorn horn, I made a cone out of paper and I painted it later on the same colors as mask. I have quite a lot of details on my face, so I decided just to go with pale colors on my neck and chest, and using a sponge I'm just spreading the pink color and later on I'm adding a little bit of blue and greenish colors. And now my last and the most favorite part. If you were watching my videos before, you would know what is it. It is a glitter part. I'm using a glitter hood brand and this glitter is the one that I use the most probably. It's the Silver Queen. Oops, that's a Queen Silver. Next I'm gluing on the foil, which I cut out myself. You know, like sometimes you cut out the snowflakes, and I've done it kind of the same way. I bend it in half so it's symmetrical. After adding bigger flakes of glitter, I'm going into my eyes and I'm adding NYX glitter primer, and then over that I'm using glitter brilliant, also from NYX. It is called Crystal, the number is 06. I'm painting white around my new pupils, adding huge eyelashes and then painting my lip. I'm using NYX metallic lip creams. First I'm painting my lip with Milan color and then adding a Paris just in the middle. Next is going very spontaneous part where I just smudge everything with neon paints and glue on some mushrooms. I hope you enjoyed my polygonal unicorn design. Please subscribe, like and comment, and also if you would like to share my video, I would really appreciate it. And also if you press this bell button next to a subscribe one, you will receive a notification when I am uploading a new video on my channel. Actually, my next video is nearly ready and will be up very soon. So bye for now and I'll see you next time.